Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to download media on WhatsApp using your mobile. When someone sends you a photo, video, or document, you'll usually see a small download arrow on the file. Simply tap that arrow and the media will start downloading to your phone. Once it's finished, you can open and view it right inside WhatsApp. If you don't see the download option, check your internet connection. WhatsApp needs either Wi-Fi or mobile data to download media now. If you want media to download automatically, open WhatsApp settings, go to Storage and Data, and choose Media Auto Download. Here you can select whether photos, videos, or documents should download on Wi-Fi only, mobile data, or both. Downloaded media is usually saved directly to your phone's gallery or Photos app, so you can access it outside WhatsApp anytime. And that's it. Now you know how to download media on WhatsApp using your mobile. For more tutorials just like this one.
Make sure to check back again.